Next up in our knee and core stability series is a high plank with knee extensions. Now I really like this exercise to restore this quadriceps activation while we also get activation of the anterior core as well after an injury or surgery. So to perform this, we're going to use something that's not going to move, so a countertop or a table. We're going to go into what we call the high plank position. So that means my arms are going to be straight. I'm going to back my legs up until I am in a straight line position. Okay, don't want to be tenting, don't want to be drooping at the hips. Find that neutral. Now I'm going to maintain this neutral spinal alignment as I bend my knees, which is going to load my quadriceps more. And then I'm going to straighten my knees. And I'm really focused on keeping my abdominals engaged, but also contracting my quadriceps as I bend and then straighten. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze those quadriceps together. Little pause, nice and slow back down, and then straighten. Great exercise with a combination of abdominal engagement and quadriceps control during the earlier phases of rehab. Now notice you can have your heels elevated. I'm up on the balls of my feet as I slowly lower and then squeeze my quadriceps, extend, hold for a pause, and then nice and slow and repeat.